Hey guys, Kieran Gaming here, and today I'm going to be opening a Fates Collide Pokemon Booster Pack. And I have a new schedule, 2 videos every week. I don't know what day, just 2 videos every week so I can have a schedule. Let's get this open. My eyes are closed, so I don't know what that card was. I might have to blur out the code card. So we got 3, 2, put the 3 there, put the 2 here, okay. So we got Riolu, Diglett, Minccino, Coughing, Volby, Almondite, De-Evolution Spray, Wormadam, and, Conoti, and Zygarde. Nice. So that's definitely the star card of the pack, and maybe this too. But yeah, it's definitely a star card pack. So yeah, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for 2 videos every week. See you guys next time. Bye.